now going to go for a ride in our 1986 Chevy Silverado Resto mod. Short cab, white exterior with a black interior. Everything on this car is indeed custom, as you can see. Got the digital gauges, got the aftermarket retro sound style radio. You still got a very nice bed liner, Wilwood disc brakes all the way around, sway bar, tilt steering, and power brakes. We'll demonstrate for you now. A 5.3 liter Vortec engine, which is very powerful. Of course, I'm not going to test the limits to burn tire off the rubber. Maybe a little bit, but who knows. And as I'm cruising up the road here, it's a very smooth, maybe even the steering wheel is still staying straight. Very mean sounding truck. And it's solid up above as it is down below. This sure can grab a lot of attention. Especially if you're looking for a cruise or to race your enemies. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift. Let's take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.